If you're looking for information about the new Insta360 camera, the Insta360go, well, you've still got a couple of days to wait. But wait, here's my take on what I think the new camera is going to be like. Make sure you comment below if you see this before the release of the new camera on August the 28th, and tell me what you think the camera will feature, how it will look, anything you think about it. And if you're watching this after the release date, comment below and tell me how wrong or right you think I was. Hi, and thanks for joining me. My name is Saab Johal, and I'm a big fan of small cameras. I regularly use my GoPro Hero 7 Black and also my Osmo Pocket. I use that for most of my vlogging, and I've even filmed a project for an external organization using that too. But my true love for now is the Insta360 One X. I just love what this camera is capable of doing. So anyway, in one of my more recent videos, linked up here, I reported on how the CEO of Insta360 revealed some of the direction for Insta360 in 2019-2020, but he was a little light on detail. He did say that they were planning a new product. And while many people thought it might be a replacement for the One X, that doesn't look so likely now. From what I can tell from the teaser video that the company has released and from the leaked specs, here's my thoughts and predictions about the camera about to appear. Number one, it's going to be a tiny action camera with no monitoring screen. You're going to have to check what's going on with your smartphone or shoot blindly. Now, one of the things about Insta360 cameras is that you can just start shooting and worry about the framing later, which brings me to my second predictions. A 180-degree lens, similar to that of half of the One X. That's going to enable you to cut from the footage you capture and reframe to what you want your viewer to look at in that 180 degrees field of view anyway, much like the One X. But with a camera as small as they're claiming it's going to be, how's that going to work with such a very small sensor? Will it work? Will it be sharp enough compared to the competition like the Osmo Pocket and the upcoming GoPro Hero 8 Black? We shall have to wait and see. And anyway, how would they protect a 180-degree lens like that? The One X lens is notoriously fragile, and I'm sure the company doesn't want another backlog of cameras with broken lenses for repair on their hands. Number three, my third and final prediction, based upon what the company has said in the past, is that the Insta360 Go will have brilliant artificial intelligence editing algorithms which will produce fantastic auto edits for immediate upload to your social media channel like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or whichever channel of your choice. This, I think, is going to be the killer combination for the Insta360 Go. If they have figured out how to make an ultra stabilized wide field of view camera which then provides auto edits for upload to your phone and then for you to share in almost real time, then I think they're onto a big winner. And that's my take-home prediction. And I also think it's going to be priced at a point where a lot of people who are in maybe two minds about whether they'll take the risk will go out and buy one anyway. So what do you think? Am I onto something? Or do you have a different take? Be sure to drop me a comment below with your thoughts, and let's check back in after August 28th to see what Insta360 have actually released. Be sure to subscribe to keep being part of this conversation. Hey, if this is the first time we've met, then hi, thanks for coming. And if you're a regular viewer, then as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Cheers and go well.